Are we on?
Oh.
All right, I'm Mr. G. This is Memorial High School, and we're doing a structure lesson. Okay, so let me show you. And I don't feel well, obviously, but I'm here anyway. Let's just do this. Okay, so you take the phone, right, and you put it in there, and notice I can hold it like this. Now the question is, how far away can I get until it starts to deform, right? And the challenge today is to try and go as far away from the phone as you can. Now, as you know, if you don't fold it, you won't be able to lift it. You could definitely go like this, but that's not what I'm asking for. Just one hand to hold it with one hand. So what I'm asking students to do is we need some way of measuring. So every inch, put a mark. All right, so that's what you guys are going to do. You're going to go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 marks until 12 would be the end of the paper. And then you go ahead and put the same marks down here. So you have 2 marks. So you could do parallel lines. And the thing about it is that all the lines are perpendicular to the length of the long side of the paper. So they're on the short, they're parallel to the short side, I should say. That would be better to say. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you got, anyway, you get the idea. So you're seeing what I'm doing, right? But now the challenge is, right? The challenge is to have someone take a photo of you holding this. So this would be like 0. That would be like 1 inch. And here's 2. And you see it deforms. But I saw someone last class, focus on me now. I saw someone last class get 4 of those, 4 inches away from the phone. Now every phone's different. So it's not perfectly scientific, but it teaches you about structure, you see? I could easily bend this, but when I go this way, it doesn't bend because of the thickness here. But if I flip it here, it bends no problem. So this was my invention lesson, a way to teach people engineering as fast as possible. And I wish someone taught me this when I was younger. So your challenge today is to make this paper with the lines, fold it up however you want. That's creativity, that's up to you. Put the cell phone in the end, and you got to get at least 0 inches away. Try and get 1, and when you do it, do a 0 background. Have someone hold this behind you, so it's like a nice photo. So you're gonna do a before photo when you do the lines. I put your name on it, and then an after photo when you're holding it. All right. So that's basically it. All right. I'm Mr. G. Not feeling well today, but I'll be. Nah, I can't rhyme. Okay. See you later. That's it.